We're here at St Aubyns Gardens in Hove to look at this brand new 2-bedroom, fully refurbished flat right on Hove Seafront. This fabulous flat has 2 large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, one of them en suite, and this brilliant fitted kitchen with an induction hob and an integrated dishwasher. Both bedrooms are large doubles, one with an ensuite bathroom, one with a walk-in wardrobe. So if you're interested in this property, check us out at eightfold.agency or 01273 672 999.